Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show hidden apps on your iPhone and then unhide them if you would like. So in order to show them, first thing you're going to do is on the home screen, go to the very last page, which is going to take you to the app library, and then scroll all the way down, and then you should see a folder that says hidden. And if you tap on that, it's going to prompt for your Face ID or Touch ID or passcode, whatever way you secure your phone. So I'm going to enter my passcode, and when I do that, I can go ahead and tap and see the hidden apps that are there. So if I wanted to go ahead and unhide them, all I'm going to do is press and hold and then click on don't require passcode or Face ID, and then I'm going to be prompted to just verify that, and it's going to get removed from that hidden folder, and it's going to be visible now on the home screen here somewhere or in the app library, as you can see here. Now another place you can also check is by going to your setting and then scrolling all the way down to apps, and then all the way at the very bottom, just keep on swiping, is a hidden apps folder. This one, again, same thing, you're going to enter your passcode or Face ID. It's going to show the same exact apps that we saw in that folder, and you'll see it right here. From here, you can't unhide them. You'll have to go to the app library to unhide, but this will at least show you the settings as well for the app right there. So again, to show the hidden apps, just go to the app library and then tap on the hidden folder at the very bottom and then unlock, and then to unhide them, you can just click on don't require passcode, then enter, and it's going to move them out of that folder. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.